When I finally figured out where the bird was, I only could watch it for a few seconds before it took off. It flew right past a friend of mine and snagged a little bird. I had been watching these dragonflies all summer. I just still can't figure out what kind they are. I look at the identification and they don't look like anything in the pictures. They're basically black. There's some kind of skimmer, you can tell from the bands around the tail, but they don't have any of the saddlebags. That would be a black saddlebag skimmer, so I really can't tell. So if anybody knows, please let me know. I did manage to get a few seconds of the kingbird, and then it flew off to go catch another insect. Then I started watching the fish. There were at least 40 fish, these little sunfish, swimming around today. They create these little nests. I've seen sometimes 2 or 3 in a nest, but mostly you see the one. They chase everybody else off, and they use their tails to fan things to kind of keep them clear. Note this sunfish sweeping the sand with its tail. And 2 final clips of the little sunfish hanging out in their nests.